Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Active 2 Round Edition, and I'm gonna show you how to soft reset this watch, basically restart. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper or the lower button. After you wake up the screen, press and hold the lower button, press and hold it and keep holding it until the power menu appears on the screen, basically with the power off icon and restart icon. Once the power off menu or power menu appears on the screen, tap on the restart icon, this one, then tap on the check mark to confirm, and the watch will reboot. Wait until the process is complete. And here we have it, and that's how you soft reset this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.